Hello friends, this is Rahul Lodhi and welcome to your favorite channel PHP for beginners. Now today we will learn what is the difference between echo and print. So echo and print both are same, like we will write a statement here and check echo. This is first program. Okay, and now we will run this code. So we have get output. This is your first program, and now we will use print instead of echo. So these both give us same output. Okay, but there is a big difference between echo and print. Echo have no return value, but print have a return value. So we can use print for expressions. Now we will create an example for this. If $pp this is the if statement. We will use if for expressions. Print $pp. Now we will run this code. Here you can check this return as 1, but echo have no any return value, so we cannot use echo for the expression. And echo is a bit faster than print. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.